In this video, we are going to show you how to upgrade from Olympus ODMS R7 software to the new OM system ODMS R8 Dictation and Transcription Module software for Windows. We will be upgrading the R7 Transcription Module, but the process is exactly the same for the Dictation Module. Before you can upgrade, you will need to ensure that the computer you are upgrading the software on already has a licensed installation of ODMS R7 installed. Secondly, you will need an ODMS R8 upgrade license key. You can only upgrade to R8 from ODMS R7. If you have older installations of the Olympus software, for example ODMS R6 or DSS Player Pro R5, you will need to buy a full ODMS R8 license key. An upgrade license can't be used. When you're ready to upgrade your software and have purchased your R8 upgrade license key, the first step is to download the ODMS R8 Windows installer file. The installer is exactly the same whether you upgrade the Dictation or Transcription module. The link to the latest R8 installer is at the bottom of our website, dictate.au, in the footer under the Useful Links section. This will take you to the official OM system website. Please do not download from any other website. Here, you will see the software prereqs. Click the Download Now button. This will download a small executable file to your PC. Find it in your download location and run it. Allow the changes to your device so that it can install all the files needed. The full installer package is then downloaded, extracted, and the install process begins. The pop-up confirms that this is an upgrade, as an installation of R7 has been detected. All the settings from R7 and any files still in the trays will remain after the upgrade. Accept the end-user license agreement. Enter your name and organization details, and then your R8 upgrade license key. Transcription module license keys start with the letters RT, followed by the software version number, in this case 8. Dictation module license keys start with the letters RD, followed by the software version number. If you are unsure what software you currently have from Olympus, contact us, and we will help you work out what you have and what you need. When your upgrade license key has been entered, the pop-up will confirm the module, in this case transcription, and is ready to install, so click Yes. We recommend that you stick with the default installation directory. The upgrade from R7 to R8 will begin. Your old software will be removed and the new version installed in its place. ODMS R8 is now installed. It is important to keep a note of your license keys. We recommend you keep safe a copy of both your original R7 license key and your new ODMS R8 upgrade license key together. That way, if your PC crashes or you upgrade to a new PC, you will be able to install the software again. License keys, versions, and the module dictation or transcription can be found by going to Help and then About. Please note the ODMS software is a single install license. Each computer that has ODMS R8 installed will need its own unique license key. Contact us at Dictate Australia for more information or if you have any question.